The wren is a small, energetic songbird, and they're known for their nest building abilities because they create these cozy, unique, very intricate nests. They're also known for their very, very loud song. It is very difficult to tell the difference between a male and a female because their markings are very similar. However, there are a few things that you can look for. One is the male's bill will be a little bit longer than the female's. And two, he's going to have bolder, brighter plumage with more distinct markings than her. So it is difficult to tell them apart, but those are a couple things that you can look for. Thank you for your comments. I always enjoy reading them.